Would you believe if someone told you that a single viral TikTok video can rake in up to $20,000? Yes, you heard it right. The power of viral TikTok videos is truly astonishing. What makes these videos so lucrative? It's the sheer number of views they garner. When a video goes viral, it's not uncommon for it to rack up millions, even billions of views. Let's take a step back and think about it. Each view is a potential revenue opportunity. Advertisers are willing to pay a pretty penny to reach these vast audiences. Some content creators have made serious money this way. For instance, Charli D'Amelio, a prominent TikTok star, reportedly made over $4 million in 2023 alone from her viral videos. So it's clear that TikTok holds a vast potential for online earners. But the question is, how can you tap into this potential? Now, imagine if you could earn money by simply copying these viral TikTok videos and shortening them using a paid URL link shortener like clicksfly.com. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? This new trend is all about leveraging the popularity of viral content to generate income. The process is pretty straightforward. You start by identifying a TikTok video that's gone viral. Then you copy the URL of this video and use a paid URL link shortener, such as clicksfly.com, to shorten it. Now you might be wondering, how does this generate income? Well, every time someone clicks on your shortened link to watch the viral video, you earn money. Simple as that. There are a few things to keep in mind though. Make sure you read and understand the terms and conditions of the link shortening service you choose. Some services have rules about the kind of content you can link to, so it's important to ensure you're not violating any policies. As for potential earnings, it's a bit like throwing a message in a bottle out to sea. The more viral the video, the more clicks your shortened link is likely to get and the more money you stand to make. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a fun and easy way to supplement your income. So by copying and shortening viral TikTok videos, you can earn money without even creating your own content. Isn't that cool? But how does this method compare with other common ways of making money online? That's a question worth exploring. Let's start with blogging. Blogging can be a profitable online venture, but it requires a lot of time and dedication. You need to consistently produce high-quality content, promote it, and build an audience. It could take months, even years, to start earning a decent income. Next, we have affiliate marketing. While this can be a lucrative method, it's heavily dependent on the traffic your platform can generate. Plus, you need to constantly update your affiliate links and products to stay relevant and competitive. Then there's online tutoring. It's a great way to earn money if you have a particular expertise, but again, it demands a significant time commitment. You need to prepare lessons, schedule sessions, and constantly keep up with the latest developments in your field. Now let's consider copying and shortening viral TikTok videos. This method requires less time and effort compared to the others. It's all about identifying viral content, shortening the videos, and sharing them with a shortened URL. And the best part? You can start earning almost immediately, provided your videos gain traction. That's not to say it doesn't have its challenges. You need to stay updated with the latest trends in viral content. But with a keen eye and a bit of creativity, you can turn this into a profitable venture. So each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, but copying and shortening viral TikTok videos seems to be a promising and less time-consuming method, right? If you're intrigued by this method and want to learn more, you're in for a treat. We've been exploring the power of viral TikTok videos and the potential they hold for online earning. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We have so much more to share with you. In our upcoming video, we're going to delve into the nitty-gritty of this method. We'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to copy and shorten viral TikTok videos, an exciting way to make money online. We'll take you through the process from identifying viral videos to using paid URL shorteners like clicksfly.com to earn your share. We're sure you're as excited as we are. So why wait? Hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on this valuable information. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into this fascinating method of online earning. And remember, all the links mentioned in this video will be in the description. Until next time.